We'll guide you through how to make kids cartoon videos with Invideo. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make kids cartoon videos with Invideo, first click the Windows Start button on your computer to begin the process. Next, select Google Chrome or any web browser you have installed so you can access the internet. Then type the website address invideo.io in the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to open the site. Once the website loads, click Invideo Studio to start using the platform. After that, select Online Video Editor from the available options. Then click Edit a Video to begin creating your project. Create a free account by filling in your name and email, or sign up quickly using your Google account. Next, choose an account option to continue entering Invideo. Click Continue to allow Invideo to access your Google account safely. If a question appears asking what defines your role best, select Student or another role that fits you. When the Invite Team Members window appears, click Skip for now to continue. If asked how you heard about Invideo, select YouTube and click Continue. Then when asked about your primary goal in using Invideo, choose Produce Content Faster and Continue. For the question about which platform you create videos for, select YouTube Videos and proceed again. After entering the online video editor, close the Upload window first so you can see the workspace clearly. Click Videos on the left sidebar to browse available media. Type Kids Cartoon in the search box and select a cartoon video that appears in the results. Then click Add to place it into your project. After finishing your editing work, you can share your video by clicking Share at the top. Finally, copy the invite link provided so you can share your finished kids cartoon video with your friends easily. You may also preview the video before sharing to ensure all clips are properly arranged and the cartoon style looks correct. Make any final edits such as trimming clips or adjusting timing if needed to improve the flow of your video. After that, export your project if required and wait for the rendering process to complete. Once finished, download the file to your device so you can upload it to YouTube or share it directly through social media platforms with your audience, making sure the final result is ready for viewing and enjoy your finished cartoon video successfully.